Hey guys, it's Mike from Outdoor Element. I just wanted to show off a couple things today. This is we're doing a collaboration with Go Prepared Survival GPS called Spartan Fire. It's a great little flat tinder, and what the great thing about this is it fits inside of a billfold perfectly, super flat, super easy to use. It's waterproof and wind resistant. And the way it works is this: it's wax infused, and then on our Firebiner has a little screwdriver tip. So you would peel off the wax, get the little fibers, get the little fiber showing. Let's see if I can get that wax off for you. See the wax coming off, and then you get these little fibers, and then you want to throw your spark up here. So I get that going for you. There it goes. Pretty easy to do. You can start a fire that way. Then if you need to reuse it, throw it back in your billfold. Kind of set it, forget it. There it is for you. We have a couple of options where we can have tinder inside of a vial, or I thought this was a great. It paired well with the Firebiner, where we're gonna put a couple strips of that package with our Firebiner. That way you can keep it inside your billfold. And nice, simple, slick. It's all made in the USA. The tinder is. The military uses it. It's NATO approved. Great little product. We thought it was a great company, so we want to do a quick collaboration. I'll put a link to their website as well as ours on this video to check out more, so you learn more about it. But that's it. Thanks, guys. Appreciate your time.